When we start talking about elevating outfits, especially for guys over 40, texture is one of those things that kind of flies under the radar. Everybody focuses on fit and color and pattern, me included, but texture is what gives your outfit that extra depth and dimension. It's also something that can make you look more intentional instead of flat. For example, two guys can wear the exact same color combinations, but the one guy that mixes in some texture, he's gonna look a lot more put together. The problem is that a lot of outfits can look really nice, but they can also look kind of flat at the same time. Here's what I mean. Think about a smooth polo shirt with smooth chinos. It's a nice combination, but everything is kind of flat and just sort of blends together. There's nothing for the eye to just sort of grab onto. Think of it kind of like decorating a room. So if every surface in the room is smooth with the same finish, it can feel kind of stale. But when you add in some wood, some leather, some fabrics, and some stone, all of those textures suddenly make that room feel warm and inviting. Clothing works the same way, and that's especially important as we get older because most of us now don't want to peacock anymore and dress really bright and loud. We want to look confident and refined without trying too hard, and that's where texture comes in. What texture actually does for your outfit is add some additional dimension. It's creating contrast even when the colors don't. For example, you can wear neutral colors from head to toe, but if the materials are different, the outfit looks a lot more thoughtful. Think about these examples. A knit sweater looks different than a smooth jacket. Suede shoes look different than smooth leather shoes. Corduroy pants look a lot different than denim. So even when the colors might be close, texture is adding another layer of dimension and also contrast. Here's something else that I do want to point out here, because we hear the term texture and we can automatically think of heavy winter clothes like heavy coats and heavy sweaters. But texture doesn't really have anything to do with warmth. Texture is just sort of that surface character. Now, of course, you can have heavy textured fabrics for the winter, but you can also have lightweight textured fabrics for the summer. Now, let me focus on shoes for just a minute, and then I'll show you some other examples. Now, this is a very nice pair of leather sneakers, but this pair in suede has slightly more texture and therefore more dimension and visual interest. This is a very nice pair of Chelsea boots that I just wore last weekend, but this pair of suede Chelsea boots has slightly more texture and therefore more dimension and visual interest. All of the shoes and the boots I'm showing you are from Thursday Boot Company. And if you've heard me talk about Thursday boots before, but you haven't pulled the trigger yet, now's the time. Everything they do is high quality, and I am just a huge fan. They just continue to up their game because not only do they have amazing high quality and comfortable boots, but they also have incredible sneakers, amazing dress shoes, jackets, and even a lot of things for the lady in your life. Everything from Thursday is made with incredible quality that's made to last, but you don't pay those overpriced retail markups. I have many pairs of Thursday boots, sneakers, and also a bunch of jackets that I have had for years. And even today, right now, they still look and feel amazing. I don't think I can stress this enough, you guys. I really do encourage you to go check out their incredible boots, their amazing sneakers, dress shoes, jackets, and everything else they make. Just go through that link down below in the description and shop around to see everything they have, because I know you're gonna find something that you love. And thank you, Thursday Boots, for supporting my channel and for sponsoring today's video. Another classic masculine texture is tweed. This is probably one of the most recognizable textured fabrics. It's rugged, it's masculine, and it's timeless. You'll generally see tweed in sport coats and jackets, but here's what makes tweed so powerful. You can throw a tweed jacket over a simple sweater or even just a plain shirt, and all of a sudden the outfit just looks more intentional. It doesn't always mean that it's more dressy, it just means it's more elevated. Another one is corduroy. Corduroy is one of the most overlooked fabrics, I believe, right now, because those unmistakable ridges create this amazing texture that you can see from across the room. You can find corduroy in jackets, pants, overshirts, and even some casual suits. And the cool thing about corduroy, besides the different wale thickness, is that it adds a lot of warmth and character without looking too formal. Say, a corduroy jacket with jeans, I would say instantly looks more interesting than a regular plain cotton jacket. Corduroy pants also makes a plain outfit look a lot richer without adding any extra effort. Then we have knits, and this is probably the easiest ways for guys to add more texture. Think about sweaters, cardigans, and knit polos. The cool thing about knits is that the weave itself is what creates the dimension. For example, you've got cable knit sweaters, you've got waffle knits, you've got rib knits, knit polos, and shawl collar cardigan sweaters. Now, of course, some are gonna be thick and warm, but a lot of these are gonna be surprisingly lightweight and great for warm weather. And I can vouch that a lightweight knit polo adds a lot of depth without making you overheat. Then we have warm weather texture like linen and seersucker. Linen is by far one of the best fabrics men can wear in the warm weather. Yeah, of course, it wrinkles, but that's part of the character. And let's face it, a linen shirt looks a lot more relaxed and interesting than a flat cotton shirt. And seersucker works in basically the same way. The puckered texture keeps the fabric slightly off your skin, allowing more airflow that helps keep you cool. Both fabrics give summer outfits depth without adding any additional weight. So here's a few practical examples that you can start with. Instead of a standard t-shirt, smooth jacket, and some maybe smooth chinos, try a knit polo, a suede jacket, and some denim. Or a flannel shirt, maybe a quilted vest and denim. Or when the weather gets a lot warmer, try a linen shirt with cotton chinos and some suede loafers. Let me give you a quick warning though. So not everything needs to be textured all at the same time. If every piece you're wearing is heavy texture, the outfit can look a little bit busy and also bulky. Think about balance, like maybe one or two textured pieces is usually just about right. For example, a textured jacket and smooth pants, or textured pants and a simple smooth shirt. I would probably think about keeping things simple at first. So maybe just try to include one textured piece in every outfit. That could be your jacket, your shirt, your pants, or your shoes. It doesn't really matter because just that one textured item is going to add a lot of dimension. And here's the thing. As we get older, most of us stop chasing trends. We want to look confident and put together without looking like we're trying too hard to dress young. Texture allows you to dress simply, but still look elevated. And hey, if you made it this far, you are one of the true legends. So hit that like button to let me know you made it. Thank you so much for watching. Live well, and I hope to see you in the next one.